Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today it's round number 3, Lifeproof versus Nucore. We're going to find out which of these two vinyls is the most durable. We're testing them for scratching, denting. We'll find out which can withstand the torture test. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
Whatever it takes, find out which of these will hold up in your home. Lifeproof versus Nucore, round number 3. It's on. So to find out which can hold up to the heaviest furniture in your home, I've taken it up a notch. I'm gonna go ahead and see which can hold up to the weight of my car with a piece of wood under it, simulating a leg of furniture. I'm gonna cut 2 pieces of furniture leg out of this piece of stair nose. I'm gonna place one under Nucore, I'm gonna place one under Lifeproof. I'm going to place each of them under a tire of my car. I'm going to leave it for 24 hours to start out with. I don't think you're going to have furniture as heavy as my car, but I tried all the furniture in my home. I couldn't dent it. So I said, what do I have that's even heavier than the heaviest piece of furniture? My car. It's not a smart car, so it has a little weight to it. So we'll find out which can hold up. It's the weight of my SUV on round number 3. Nucore versus Lifeproof. We got 2 exactly equal furniture legs. We're going to place them on the floor. We're going to place the flooring upside down. Then I will roll my small tank, small SUV on top of each of these. So we'll see after 24 hours. Shoot, now I can't go anywhere. 12 hours. We will see after close to 24 hours. They're both taped to it, hitting in the dead center when I run them over. Are the samples ready?
They're ready.
That's good enough for me. Can I get a helmet and gloves?
We don't have any helmets.
Also testing it with a grip. I have Nucore on one side, Lifeproof on the other. Equal amount of pressure with the same piece of wood, and I'm going to leave it in the grips. So we'll see what kind of damage that does. We're doing a scratch test. We're gonna see which one is the most resistant to scratching. I got one of my oscillating tools here with a scraper blade on it. We have Lifeproof, we have Nucore. Go to town and see which one resists scratching the best. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Engage. That mark right there, that's a scratch. And believe it or not, I see more. Can you see that? I mean, they're very light.
If you think I can help, try asking, what can I say?
I don't think I need you to help, Mrs. Computer Person. Why are you listening? Why is the computer listening?
I don't know.
That's
that
creepy.
Was weird.
It never talks. You obviously see the big one here. Now I want to go ahead and do this again, applying more pressure. What do you see? Can we look across it? Looks like the Nucore again scratched. Alright, let's turn it up a notch. This time I really pushed down pretty good. Now we're going with 2 similar colors. Lifeproof, Nucore. Okay, so the Lifeproof, the Nucore. Wow. Let's look at the lighter colors. The Nucore, the Lifeproof. Now, let's keep in mind that this is an excessive test. You're not going to normally put a scraper a blade across your floor. Is it a normal situation in your home? Are you going to run around the house with one of these? I hope not, because then we have other things to worry about in life. But someone dragging a chair across your floor pet maybe with the nails weren't trimmed. A nail on sticking out of a piece of furniture, something that would cause it to scratch. This is that test. Shockingly, and I am shocked, and there's a lot of disappointments in life, and I'm disappointed in Nucore actually on this one. I think the Lifeproof tested a lot better, believe it or not, on the scratch test. Surprisingly, with less layers, 17 less layers of finish.
Allegedly.
Allegedly 17 less layers of finish. Maybe they're just thicker layers. They're triple thick, that would still only be 18. Quadruple? Quadruple thick. It has to be quadruple thick. I mean, what else could it be? I mean, it could be quintuple? I don't know. I don't even know what the fifth is. Is that quintuple? I'm not sure. Anyways, they're really thick layers, obviously, because it's more durable when it comes to scratches. That doesn't mean don't buy Nucore or buy Lifeproof because of this test, but this is just, if it's a close call, you're deciding between two, and you're on the fence, hey, maybe jump off the fence to Lifeproof perhaps. But
The color you like the best.
it always comes down to, obviously, the floor you like the best. It doesn't matter if it's a more durable floor and you hate the way it looks. If it's ugly, you know, well, maybe it does. I don't know. But let's move on to the next part of our testing, which is resistant to dents. This is the Nucore. You can see it's bent from behind from the weight of it, and there is a slight, yeah, it is indented, so it could not withstand the weight of a car. Lifeproof time. Actually, believe it or not, Lifeproof is a little bit better. They both have a dent, but I'm just saying, this, the Nucore, it went deeper. It went deeper into the Nucore, and it's more pronounced. Today we find out how the vice test worked. We've had pressure on these for close to 24 hours, and now we'll find out if it left the dent. It actually left an impression on the Nucore side. I do not see the same impression on the Lifeproof one. Alright, so today we're going to give it the car test number 2. We already did it where we left the car on top of the Nucore and the Lifeproof. So today we're actually just going to go ahead and run it over. We'll see how they fare against the weight of the car. We'll tape it there. I had the great idea to tape them.
My idea.
Following who you have, you know, on your team, in your tribe. You're only as good as the next person in line. So yes, she did have a great idea. Simultaneously. Here we go with the Nucore. No damage. The Lifeproof. No damage. So they both withstood the car. This was a really close call. I would have to give the Dent Test to Lifeproof. So that means the scratch test went to Lifeproof. The Dent Test went to Lifeproof. Round number 3 can only go to Lifeproof. We have a 2-1 lead to Lifeproof now after 3 rounds, but we're not done. Join us for the next round of Lifeproof versus Nucore. Wow, this was a great round. I'm surprised with who won. I honestly thought Nucore for sure with the 23 layers of finish. I didn't even think Lifeproof had a chance today. But hey, a lot of disappointments in this world, and I'm frankly shocked. Thanks for joining us today on Jones Knows. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with your favorite flooring mallet. This is mine, the Lixie, for all you newbies out there. And like us as well, and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We'll put the links in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and keep those comments coming. We love the conversations.